In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Dreamweaver. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website. This is the safest, most reliable place to get Dreamweaver and ensures you're downloading the latest version. If you're not already signed in, Adobe may prompt you to log in or create an account. That's normal for both trials and subscriptions. On the Creative Cloud page, look along the left side and select the Apps section. If you're using the Creative Cloud desktop app instead of the website, the steps are essentially the same and the interface will look familiar. At the top of the apps view, use the search bar and type Dreamweaver. When it appears in the results, click it to open the app page. Here you can review a brief overview and confirm that your operating system meets the minimum requirements. If you're low on disk space or on a managed computer, free up a few gigabytes before proceeding so the install doesn't stall. On the Dreamweaver page, choose Free Trial. This starts the download through the Creative Cloud desktop app and then launches the installer automatically. You'll see a progress bar while files are fetched and configured, so keep your internet connection stable. If your system asks for permission to install, approve the prompt. On Windows, that may be a user account control window. On Mac OS, you might be asked for your computer password to allow the change. From here, Creative Cloud does the heavy lifting. You don't need to hunt for a separate installer file or tweak advanced settings. When installation finishes, the button changes to Open, and you can launch Dreamweaver immediately. You'll also find it listed in the Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on Mac OS. If you're using the trial, Creative Cloud will show how many days you have left so you can decide whether to continue with a plan. For the smoothest experience, close other heavy apps during installation, and if you run into any hiccups, a quick restart often clears things up. You went to Adobe Creative Cloud, opened the Apps section, searched for Dreamweaver, and started the free trial so Creative Cloud could download and install it for you. Enjoy building with Dreamweaver, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.